Welcome back to another Flight Tech podcast.
What's going on, my beautiful listeners? Today's Friday, May 5th, and we're back again with the latest tech news, the best on all podcast platforms. My name is Nick, and happy Cinco de Mayo, Dominic.
Happy Cinco de Mayo. So,
You drinking?
as you guys know,
You got a
nah,
drink? Nah? Man.
I'm good. I'm
Man,
good.
you good? All right,
I'm good.
Okay.
I got to pass.
For real, we got to do this podcast.
I got to pass. All right, so as you guys know, I'm Dominic, and we got some fly talks for you guys today. For our first story, Apple's new software update has some of its users worried.
I can't wait to hear this. For our second story, it seems like Apple is about to introduce new widget systems in the upcoming WatchOS. Well, you all want to stick around for this one because I don't know how they're going to fit these widgets on that small screen, but that's cool.
Facts. And for our last story, it looks like Apple might be working on a special version of iPad OS for a larger 14.1 inch iPad Pro.
Yes, sir. Let's jump right into these tech news. All right. So there have been reports about a small hiccup which has been causing headaches to iPhone users. So let us know if this is you. But as always, Apple has been quick to respond.
Apple released its iOS 16.4.1 update, which brought a bunch of new features and improvements. But some users found that their iPhones were suddenly having troubles connecting to the internet.
Damn,
I mean,
what's an iPhone with no internet? Like, they all got the little dinosaur.
I haven't had any. Let me check for an update real quick because, let me see.
My thing is here. Hold on.
Yeah, I got it.
Notifications.
I got it. iOS security response 16.4.1 parentheses A. This rapid security response provides important security fixes that is recommended for all users. So if you haven't done so already, go update. So yeah.
For real, go ahead and protect yourself. I mean, look, we all rely on our smartphones so much these days. So having an iPhone that can't connect to the internet can really throw everyone off their daily routine. Imagine if you couldn't access social media.
Facts. Luckily enough, though, Apple quickly identified the issue and released a rapid security update to fix it. The good news is that most users should already have received their update and their iPhones should be back to normal now.
That's good to hear. Apple's quick response really highlights the importance of security updates. After all, they do help keep devices safe and running smooth.
Absolutely. So for our listeners out there, if you haven't already, make sure you go to settings, general software update on your iPhone to check if you have the latest update. Luckily this time you will not have to worry about not having internet to order your favorite Starbucks. Oh, I got that drink. So
Got it.
Nick, what's the takeaway for our beautiful listeners?
Even when you do update, you might get left behind.
My boy said, "Don't get
trying
breached."
to stay up to date, but you being forgotten. Like, oh shoot, we forgot to patch this.
Oh my god. So
Yeah.
for our second topic, we're going to talk about some exciting news for Apple Watch users. It seems like Apple is about to introduce a new widget system in the upcoming WatchOS 10 update.
That's right, and these news come from none other than Mark Gurman, our well-known and reliable source when it comes to all things Apple. So we can definitely look forward to some cool new features on Apple Watch
Very soon. So absolutely. Now, if you're an Apple Watch user, you're probably already familiar with the concept of widgets. Am I right?
Whoa.
Now, there are like these little customizable elements that show you important information right on your watch face.
And with WatchOS 10, it seems like Apple's planning to revamp the widget system, making it even more powerful and flexible. This will be a game changer for the watch because I feel like it's been stagnant for a little bit. You'll be able to access more information, and who knows, like maybe it's like that you can have like new features. Because you know how you have widgets on the iPhone where, I don't know, there's some cars that you can add a widget, and instead of going through the menu and go to the app, like you can unlock it, turn on the AC, things like that. That'd be useful.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, the Apple Watch is such a handy device, and these new widgets will only make it better. Just imagine being able to see even more useful info like your fitness status, calendar updates, weather updates, all on your watch face.
And the best part is these new widgets will be customizable, which means you'll be able to choose which ones you want to see on your watch face. So you can create a more personalized experience that suits your needs and preferences.
That sounds fantastic. I'm sure Apple Watch users are excited to get their hands on the new widget system. So, do we have any idea when WatchOS 10 will be available?
There's no official release date yet, but we can expect it to be announced at Apple's WWDC. So stay tuned because we'll definitely keep you updated on the new updates, especially all new updates, not just the watch.
Yes.
So stay tuned.
Facts. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, whatever platform you listening to this on. Make us your
Apple,
favorites,
Spotify,
whatever.
everything. Leave us a 5.5 review.
So, what's the takeaway for our beautiful listeners on this story?
All right, so even though this hasn't been confirmed yet, we're looking forward to seeing what the new WatchOS 10 can do. For our last story, though, you know what they say, size does matter. So, according to an iClarify article, Apple is rumored to be making a special version of iPadOS for a larger 14.1-inch iPad Pro.
That's big news, literally. I mean, but if it's true, this could be a game changer for iPad users, especially those who love having more screen for the creative projects.
For real. Give me that Final Cut. Give me the Logic. Imagine the possibilities.
Endless.
Like editing your YouTube videos on the go. Like, insane.
I need that.
Yes. And the rumors suggest that this new larger iPad Pro could come with a special version of iPadOS. Please macOS. Please macOS. This means it could have unique features tailored specifically for the larger screen size, allowing users to take full advantage of the extra space.
I can already see artists and designers and even video editors using this larger iPad Pro to bring their creations to life. And of course, it would be great for multitasking and productivity.
And you know the current iPad Pro models already pack a lot of power with the M1, and I think they even have M2. But with a larger screen and a specialized version of iPadOS, the possibilities are endless.
You're absolutely right. I'm excited for this iPad. I want to see if it's coming with an M3. Are we going to be able to get access with Logic, Final Cut, especially if you're able to edit on the go? Like a lot of editors are going to be super excited about that. I know for a fact that I am, because currently your boy still got 2 videos to edit.
Hey, Dominic, tell me if this is you, right? Like you watch the iPad commercial and you see all these architects, all these people designing cars, measuring rooms, things like that. You're like, damn, I suddenly want to be an architect. like I want to buy it so I can do that. Then you get it and all you're doing is Safari.
Watching Netflix.
Yeah,
Yo, a lot of people do that though. A lot of people be like, oh, I want the 512 or a terabyte LiDAR sensor. Like, my boy, you was not about to use all that. Or you about to literally do is watch Netflix, HBO, browse on Safari, play games. Mostly you're gonna use it as a miniature TV, bro.
That's
literally.
True. That's true.
Literally.
Man. I don't know. Hey, did you notice the people coming at you on TikTok because of the 2 terabytes? It's like, oh, he just wanted to show off his 2 terabyte storage. Like,
oh,
fam,
yes,
that's iCloud storage, first of all.
Exactly.
They thought you had a 2 terabyte iPhone.
I wish.
Straight out of China.
Shoot, everybody, I just feel like a lot of people, they always got something to say, but I find it entertaining. Yo, whoever is subscribed to our YouTube channel, whoever follows us on TikTok, and whoever that is that had messaged me on iMessage, yo, that literally made my day. I was
no way, they did.
Yes, look.
Let me see.
Whatchamacallit?
That's crazy. Shout out to them.
This right here.
They be playing Where's Waldo? Hi, Max.
Hi, Max. I was like, what's up?
Yo,
and then boom,
what?
back. Yeah. I didn't know how to respond because it I'm not gonna put that information out there, but
just be like, you seen us on TikTok?
Cause it says at iCloud, so I'm automatically as many times as like I did like the whole iCloud tips and tricks and stuff like that. You see the iCloud, so like
right. They got your info.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But I'm gonna message them back today and be like, hey, did you see us like on TikTok? Like where you come from?
For real? How do like who's this again? Like,
but that was fire though. That was fire.
Shout out to the fans.
Yo, big facts. big facts. But if you can, please give us our last takeaway on this beautiful story.
Absolutely. It seems that Apple wants to have a new sheriff in town with a brand new iPad Pro and iPad OS lineup. But Dominic, can you whip up the final takeaways?
You know I got you. And you can't forget about that fun fact for our first story. We bring it back like old 2000 vibes. Apple gave everyone a heart attack when they released the latest software, and many users had no internet. Talk about next time.
For a second story, the new WatchOS might be getting a lot more fun with new widgets and features. Finally, Tim.
And for our last story, a new size iPad Pro may be coming to a store near you alongside with a new OS. Hopefully we get access to Final Cut and Logic, but keep your eyes peeled. So Nick, are you ready for that fun fact of the day?
Please educate me.
All right, so check this out. Some species of butterflies, by the way, I got attacked by a butterfly. I don't know if it was a butterfly or a dragonfly, but your boy got attacked today. I was checking the mail, and next thing you know, like this thing just came out of nowhere. It just kept like trying to like headbutt me. I don't know what was going on.
What the heck?
Your boy,
you were
panicked.
Like dodging it, like.
Bro, I was like this. I don't like insects, bro. Like,
they move too quick.
Yo, fam.
Like, whoa,
I'm
whoa,
like,
whoa.
all right. You got an advantage. You can fly and like you know the airspace way better than me. So
for real, why you gotta bully me? Like you could fly. Like there's a million other things you could be doing right now.
I'm trying to tell you, like
you can fly. Like come on now.
Yo, but some species of butterflies, like the monarch butterfly, are known for their incredible long-distance migrations. Each year, millions of monarch butterflies travel up to 3,000 miles, which equivalents to 4,800 kilometers from North America all the way to their wintering grounds in central Mexico. Talk about taking a vacation.
Yo, facts. That's good for them. Damn.
They pull up to Mexico for free. They outside. Yo, I might have this fact wrong, but is Cancun in Mexico?
Yes, it is. Yes.
Cause they pulling out there for the free ski. Yo,
good for them. I mean, shoot. If I could travel 3,000 miles, if I just walk 3,000 miles, that's already a problem.
Yo,
like, my legs can't do that. Yo, that's crazy. I wonder how long it takes them to travel those 3,000 miles, though.
Yeah, they just taking flight.
Yo, but I don't want to get too deep into the Bill Nye the Science Guy section. but like, yo, like, have you seen when there's like gusts of like wind and they're like thrown aback? Like,
yeah, how do
they fly? You seen that with the birds too?
Yeah.
That's because we live in Florida. There's hurricanes here, people.
Yo,
but unfortunately, that is the end of another Flat Tech podcast.
We post it every Monday and Friday, your favorite days of the week.
Yes, sir. So make sure you follow us on all social media platforms at MaxMBix.
Stay safe and take care. Until next time,
peace.